Kia ora whānau, and welcome to this flip video in Te Reo. We're learning to speak about what we're doing and where we're going, as in kei te haere koe ki hea, which is a question, where are you going? And we are learning to respond to that. So how you do that as a question is kei te haere koe ki hea, which means where, here is where, going is haere, koe is the subject, right? And how we respond to that is we start with the tense, which is kei te, and then we say haere, which is go, aho, which is the subject, that is me, and then we say ki, and then we give the destination. In this case, kei te haere aho ke Mexico. I am going to Mexico. Right, so the formula is as follows. Tense plus the verb, then the subject. Ki is the connecting particle, and then you write the destination. So if someone says, kei te haere koe ki hea, where are you going? You would respond with, kei te haere aho ki Otanaki Kura. I am going to Asher's school. Marama, aku anei, see you soon.